In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a paid bill in Xero step by step. If you've ever marked a bill as paid and then realized it was the wrong bill, the wrong amount, or entered by mistake, don't worry, you're not stuck. There is a proper way to undo the payment and then void the bill correctly inside Xero. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can fix it safely without messing up your accounts. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Xero will sometimes automatically take you back to the bill you were working on, but if it doesn't, here's how to find it manually. From the top menu, click on Business, then select Bills to Pay. Next, go into the Awaiting Payment tab if the bill is still sitting there, or locate it in the appropriate section if needed. Click on the bill to open it. Once the bill is open, scroll down until you find the section labeled Payments. This section shows any payments that have already been applied to the bill. You'll see the payment listed with a date and a blue amount link. For example, you might see something like $840 in blue next to a payment date. Click directly on that blue amount link. This opens the payment transaction itself. Now you're inside the payment screen, and this is where we begin reversing the process properly. Go to the top right corner of the page and click the Options button. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Remove and Redo. Xero will ask you to confirm this action. Click Yes to confirm. What this does is extremely important. It unpays the bill and sends the transaction back to your Reconcile tab in your bank account. So instead of being permanently deleted, the payment is now simply unreconciled and ready to be matched again correctly later if needed. Now that the payment has been removed, you'll automatically be taken back to the bill screen. The bill is no longer marked as paid. At this point, if your goal is to completely delete or cancel the bill, the next step is to void it. On the bill screen, go to the top right corner again and click on Bill Options. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Void. Xero will ask you to confirm this action. Click OK to confirm. Once you do this, the bill is officially voided. It will no longer affect your accounts payable or reports. Just remember, voiding keeps a record for audit purposes, which is good accounting practice. It's different from deleting because voiding maintains the history while canceling the financial impact. And that's it. To quickly recap, open the bill, click the blue payment amount, choose Options, select Remove and Redo, confirm it, then go back to Bill Options and choose Void. That's the complete process for deleting a paid bill properly in Xero. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Xero tips and walkthroughs. I post simple, step-by-step guides to help you manage your bookkeeping with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.